In this video, we're going to take a look at the Fifine AM8 microphone. This is a USB microphone and an XLR microphone. It's a dynamic microphone, if you're wondering what kind of XLR microphone it is. Let's start with unpacking it, and then we're going to test the audio quality of it. This is a budget microphone, so let's see what it can do for its price category. All right. That's actually pretty easy to open. Start out with the Fifine AM8 user guide. It's a user guide, the manual. Then here we have the stand, protection. And then we have the microphone. Here it is. It has two knobs. Seems like a touch button maybe. On the back there is a microphone icon. And on the bottom we have the XLR input, a USB-C input and a headphone input. The knobs are for microphone volume and headphone volume. On the side we have the logo of Fifine and on the other side as well. And we have a wind filter / pop filter on top of the microphone, which we can remove if we want to replace it properly. Which is nice if it gets dirty. Which it might become dirty if you talk into a lot, you know. All right. And the last thing that's in the box is a USB to USB-C. Oh no, it's a USB-C to USB-C, actually. But it has this little adapter bit that makes it USB to USB-C. So you can choose if you want to use USB-C or USB into USB-C. That is actually kind of convenient because everything is using USB-C nowadays and my USB-C ports are getting rather full. So it's nice to have the option to still use the USB port as well as USB-C port. And nice for cable management, they have this wraparound Velcro. Pretty lengthy cable, longer than my arms. That's what's in the box. So I grabbed an XLR cable so we can try the XLR version and we can try the USB version. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put this microphone on the microphone stand, which is actually rather simple, I'm guessing. It's just screwing this on. Yeah, okay. It is simple enough. I'm going to test the USB version first because that seems logical. That is the one that comes with it. So I'm just going to plug this USB in here and I'm going to plug this one in my USB port. Nice little blue light sliding up on here now. All right, we need to sit 2 to 6 inches away from the microphone. I would always do it like this and then it's about like this size. And we need to talk inside the top of it. All right, let me edit so you can actually hear it. So this is how the Fifine microphone sounds like. It is on the USB setting right now. There are two knobs here. One of them you can adjust the USB sound, the volume of the output of the microphone, and you can also change the volume of your headphone output. So this is how the USB output sounds like. I do recommend getting a microphone arm with it. You can order that with it as well. Because then when you game, it's not in the way. It's also closer to your mouth, so better positioned to talk into it. You need to talk into this side, by the way, the top side. And also if you tap on the desk, you will hear that less through the microphone. So all these noises are caught less by the microphone than when it's on the table. All right, let's grab this cable, the XLR cable. Let's plug that in and see the difference, or more like listen to the difference between the sounds. Alrighty, I included the XLR collection now, and as I can see, it comes in a lot louder than that the USB connection comes into. So this is how it sounds when it's connected with the XLR cable. I'm really curious what the difference is going to be between the XLR connection and the USB connection. I don't know if you're going to hear a difference, but there might be a difference. I mean, this one is clearly louder natively when I didn't change any settings. So that is something to consider. I would assume that the XLR connection is going to be better, but I'm not 100% sure. I can't say that for sure until I listen to it back. And you guys are going to listen to it back and you're going to form an opinion about it. And I'm not going to try and influence your opinion about it, because I want you guys to make your own opinion about this microphone and see if you think it is worth your money. Because I'm not here to tell you what to buy. I'm here to show you this product and see if you think it is worth your money. I'm just showing you what's out there and you decide if you think it's nice or not. That's my way of going about things. And this is the Fifine AM8 microphone. The XLR connection. If you want to get the Fifine AM8 microphone, you can do that with the links down below in the description. If you want to see some more of my videos, I do have a playlist on more streamer gear up here. I also have a playlist on OBS tutorials, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in one of my other videos.